In the rapidly evolving world of semiconductor manufacturing, staying ahead of the competition requires cutting-edge technology that not only enhances performance but also optimizes production efficiency. SisuSemi offers a groundbreaking solution that does exactly that, transforming the way semiconductor manufacturers address atomic-level impurities at interfaces. Atomic-level impurities in semiconductors degrade performance. Atomic-level impurities in semiconductors can drastically degrade performance by introducing defects that disrupt the orderly structure of the material. These impurities can create energy levels within the semiconductor's bandgap, leading to increased leakage current, higher power consumption, and reduced device reliability. Additionally, they can cause variations in electrical characteristics, resulting in inconsistent performance across chips and lower manufacturing yields. As devices shrink and become more complex, even minor impurities can lead to significant issues, affecting overall chip efficiency, speed, and longevity, ultimately compromising the quality and reliability of electronic devices. Unparalleled reduction in defect density and leakage current. Traditionally, addressing the impurity issues often involves careful control of the fabrication process, including the use of high-purity materials, advanced cleaning technologies, and precise control over the deposition and growth processes. Additionally, advanced characterization methods are used to detect and mitigate the impact of impurities. These solutions, however, are not producing targeted results. They are resulting into environmental and safety issues. The processes are often complicated and slow. The materials or equipment are very expensive, and atomic-level impurity issues remain largely unsolved. SisuSemi's advanced cleaning and ordering technology targets atomic-level impurities, delivering a 300 to 400% reduction in defect density and a 300% decrease in leakage current. By meticulously eliminating these microscopic defects, SisuSemi significantly enhances the overall performance and quality of semiconductor chips. The results are profound. Chips with lower defect rates and better electrical performance, leading to improved device reliability and customer satisfaction. For instance, memory chips are getting more dense and leakage current has become a limiting factor in AI memory chips. In devices like LEDs and solar cells, impurities decrease efficiency, boosting battery life and manufacturing yield. In today's competitive market, end users demand devices with longer battery life and enhanced efficiency. SisuSemi's solution addresses this demand by improving chip performance, resulting in a remarkable 1.5 times increase in battery life. This extended battery performance translates to a superior user experience, a critical differentiator in markets such as mobile devices, wearables, and IoT. Moreover, by reducing defect density, SisuSemi improves semiconductor manufacturing yield by up to 20%. This yield enhancement means more usable chips per wafer, directly impacting your bottom line. With SisuSemi, manufacturers can achieve higher productivity, reduce waste, and ultimately increase profitability. A proven solution backed by research and patents. SisuSemi is not just another cleaning solution. It's a technology born from rigorous Finnish university research and backed by a strong portfolio of 4 patent families. This intellectual property ensures that SisuSemi's approach to atomic-level impurity management is unique, effective, and protected. The solution has undergone extensive testing and validation in various industry trials across multiple semiconductor types, proving its versatility and effectiveness. Seamless integration into existing production lines. Whether you're looking to upgrade an existing production line or planning a greenfield implementation, SisuSemi is designed for seamless integration. Our solution can be easily incorporated into your current manufacturing processes without major disruptions. Adding one new step for SisuSemi, in green, enables dropping of 2 later steps, in red. This flexibility means you can quickly realize the benefits of reduced defects, improved yields, and enhanced chip performance with minimal downtime or additional investment. Comprehensive customer support. At SisuSemi, we understand that adopting new technology can be challenging. That's why our team is dedicated to supporting you at every stage of the process, from solution feasibility testing to commercial piloting and full-scale implementation. Our experts work closely with your team to ensure a smooth transition, providing the guidance and support needed to achieve optimal results. In feasibility testing, the improvement potential with your semiconductors is discovered. First, we agree on testing arrangements and KPIs, and then treat your component samples in SisuSemi laboratory. Based on that, the results are analyzed and the improvement potential defined. In commercial piloting, the SisuSemi solution is integrated with customer test production line, and customer chips are then treated with SisuSemi. Again, the results are analyzed and the improvement potential defined against predefined KPIs. In full-scale commercial implementation, we agree on greenfield or retrofit implementation plan and integrate SisuSemi solution with customer commercial production line. The SisuSemi team will assist in setup and startup, in analyzing the results and assisting in continuous improvement. Conclusions. SisuSemi offers a revolutionary solution that not only addresses the critical issue of atomic-level impurities but also drives significant improvements in semiconductor performance, yield, and battery life. With proven results, robust intellectual property, and seamless integration capabilities, SisuSemi is the partner you need to stay competitive in today's fast-paced semiconductor industry. Invest in SisuSemi and take your semiconductor manufacturing to the next level. For further information, please contact SisuSemi. Revolutionizing semiconductor manufacturing.